Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with my mock of Tom Riddle's graveyard scene, otherwise known as Voldermort's graveyard scene in Harry Potter, as seen in the Goblet of Fire when Harry and Cedric grabbed onto the Triwizard Cup and was teleported into the graveyard scene, right where Voldemort wanted him so he could get the blood from him, the hand of the servant given willingly, which was from Peter Pettigrew, and the bone of the father from the grave. So anyway, yes, so I got two little micro figures here and a little trapdoor there with some snakes inside. And I custom cut out Tom Riddle, the name to put on the headstone. And also custom built the angel statuette in the background as well. Now here I used a red translucent scary face for the angel. I did replace it later on with a pure black round minifigure head, and it looked a lot better. It's the graveyard scene from the Goblet of Fire, where Cedric and Harry teleport into the graveyard by use of the Triwizard Cup, and it goes flying on the ground, and they find baby Voldermort and Wormtail performing the ceremony to bring him to life, which he does come to life right over there. And we have, I think that's Malfoy's father right in the background right here, and another one of the Death Eaters over there, and of course Tom Riddle's gravesite. And if you look inside, there's a few Slytherin snakes. Well, not from the house Slytherin, but they're Slytherin. They're snakes. You know what I mean. And there's Wormtail before he came into the human form. And he's also missing his right hand because he cut that off to put in the pot for Voldemort, the hand of the loyal servant, and the bone of the father. So that's my little mock that I created there. And also the angel on the gravestone I created out of some parts. Just kind of came up with that. We needed the angel on the thing, so I had to take some parts from one thing. I think it came off of one of my Chima guys from my Dimensions game, but that's okay because I don't really play it that much. So I'd rather put it on this on display. I think that looks really cool. And it's really kind of slick with the dark forest in the background. Kind of goes with that dark theme. I really like how this mock turned out. It turned out well to my liking and just exactly what I wanted. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Share it with your friends and let me know what you think of this cool little mock that I have created. Talk to you guys again in the next video. Until then, take care. Remember, if you can dream it, you can build it.